Welcome to episode 7 of Physics Until I Get a Girlfriend.
Hey man, that's not cool.
Today, we're going to be learning about change and conservation laws. The symbol for change is delta, and you will normally see it before a variable, such as delta V being the change in velocity and delta T being the change in temperature. Think of a football field, which is like a giant number line. Imagine a player who starts on the 20-yard mark and runs over to the 50-yard mark. Their position is 50 yards, but their change in position, also known as their displacement, is 50 minus 20, which is 30 yards. Delta x is calculated as final minus initial. The change between two values can also be represented as a vector, which can be calculated by head of the vector minus tail. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to...
Hold up, little bro. What about change in energy?
What about it?
I hear people talking about things like the conservation of energy and the conservation of momentum. If they are conserved, how can there be a change? Like, pick a side, bro.
So let's say I have $10 and I give $8 to my friend. And now I have $2 left. Money wasn't created and it wasn't destroyed, but it was transferred to another system.
How do I know if a value is momentum or delta momentum, aka impulse? Also, what about energy and delta energy, aka work?
So you could think of momentum as an intrinsic property. An object has momentum. It's what it has. And then you could think of the change in momentum, the impulse. You could think of that as some event instead. So it has momentum, and then some event occurs, and then it has a different momentum. An object has energy. And then when the energy changes, that means work is being applied to it.